Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS Text Shadow. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS Text Shadow property with blur effect. This blur effect happens when you specify 4 values in your text shadow property. So I'm going to show you how this works now. So back to our document. As you can see the way our document is looking right now. Previously, we've discussed about the way you can specify the CSS text shadow, and we have discussed about how you can add color to it. You can check our CSS text shadow playlist to be able to follow along easily, or you can check our CSS text playlist to be able to understand everything concerning text. So quickly back to our document right now. This is what we are having now. Let's specify another value and let's give it something. Let's give this one another value. Let's just write 23 peso. When I write 23 peso in our immediately in our text shadow property right here, when I reload my document, can you see? If you notice something, tell me. So as you can see right here, when I give it let me give it 4 peso right here, so you can see what will happen. Can you see? But when you increase it reach 100 also, I'm trying to show you something. So definitely you should know that if you have to specify the fourth value and you want to have the blur effect there, definitely you have to remove this from here. It must be the next thing you specify immediately after your horizontal and the vertical alignment. You can check our CSS text shadow playlist to be able to understand everything concerning this. So when I specify 100% right here now, the effect is going to show. Can you see the effect is showing now? So when I increase this, let's give it this 23. When I give it 23 and reload, can you see the effect is showing clearly? When I give it 2 pixel, can you see the effect is showing? When I give it 1 pixel, you are going to see what will happen. The effect is showing even when I give it 0 pixel. Can you see? Now we are having this. But if you want the effect to increase, you can just give it 20 pixel. You are going to see it's going to get dim. Can you see? Even when you give it let's give it like 7 pixel, you're going to see the effect also. Can you see? So just in case you want to do this kind of thing, you should try your luck with it. So and try, if you find it just depends on what you want to do. This is the blur effect we are adding to our shadow right here, and we can shift our shadow to anywhere we want. Also, you can just bring it to the bottom. You can just bring it to the bottom a little bit. Maybe we can just give it 12 pixel. When we specify 12 pixel, can you see we bring it down a little bit, and when we bring it back, let's say we want to bring it down more, let's say like 20 pixel if we want. It just depends on what you want to do. Can you see? So this is so nice when you are doing something. So I can say it just depends on what you want to do. That's what I will tell you guys. Can you see when I bring it back? So that is how you can add blur effect to your document. And also again, previously I discussed about something called color. So when I specify red color right here, and in this place now I now specify red, let's see what will happen when we do that. When I reload my document, can you see now we are having red in our text, and even our shadow also turns to red. When I highlight now, can you see we are able to see the our shadow also, no matter how, no matter even if we specify red, and red is also at the top. So you should know that you can do a lot. You can change this color, and you can change this color, change the other color, and make this one look like this. This one can the text can have blue color, and the background the shadow color can be any other color, and it can have anything. So that's how you can do all this. So I'm just trying to show you all these tricks right now, so you can know that this is working nicely for me, and it can work nicely for you too. I have to stop right now. And what akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. To the next tutorial. Bye bye.